Good evening, Steve here, and this is another day 16 of my day trading experiment. As always, let's just have a quick look at the disclaimer again. I know nothing about trading. I've been doing this less than a month. Nothing of what I say is financial advice. I'm not qualified for this. Trading is risky. You can lose your entire investment if you're not careful, and I don't represent a broker in any way. I will not advertise a broker, and you won't see any links or affiliate programs joining to this video. This is purely just my personal diary. If you do want to get in touch with the broker I'm using, then send me an email. The address will be at the bottom of this video, and I'll get them to give you a call. That way I don't get trouble from giving their email details out to you. Right, let's just have a look at today's trades. Not a heck of a lot happened today. Having said that, I still walked away with a profit of approximately £100. There you'll see it there. Made the trade. It's £150, but they charged me $49.88 in fees. The reason being is that we started that trade on Friday, and it stayed open until today, and because of that time difference, they've charged me for it. So in actual fact, I've only ended up making about £100 on the deal. If I have a look at Lily's progress chart, I've put it in there. 150 made. There's my fees, my actual profit and loss, £100 for the day. Now I was just thinking about something else over the weekend as well, and that had to do with what it would have been if I had invested this on the normal traditional investment method. So if I had gone in on the 29th of November, which is where are we, month for month, let's try it on a day-to-day basis. If I had gone in on the 29th of November, I would have purchased my stock here at around the $51.95 mark, somewhere around there anyway. Okay, and by now, 17 days later, you'd be seeing that my same investment is only worth £50. 50.67 for the same investment. So if I had gone over a long-term view, I would have ended up losing on this deal. But because I'm coming in every day and I'm trading in little spurts, either up nor down, this is how I could manage to end up with a profit of $3,100. Okay, so from what I understand it, and please, if there's somebody out there who knows better than this, please inform me. If buying over a long-term basis does not necessarily mean that it's going to be that profitable. On certain stocks and bonds, you might get security. You're certainly not going to get the cash for it. What I've also done in the charts on Lily's sheets, I've just gone and put a couple of pictures into it, just to have a look and say what is my average return in terms of percentages gained. And there you have it. Majority of it has been around the 5% mark, and like I said, I think on the previous video, most banks don't even give 2.5% per year. So here today was only 1%, but you take swings and roundabouts. But like I said, if you want to see how this progresses, subscribe, and I will be coming back to you each day. This week will be a little bit tough for me because I am out of the office quite a lot, so I'm not able to trade. So I don't expect to have big results, but as and when something happens, I will let you know. Cheers for now. Bye.